Okay, ready? Repeat after Mama Love, ha? Say, aray ko. Baba, say aray ko.
Ika.
Aray ko. Mama's teaching you Filipino words, nak, ha? Say, aray ko.
Ika.
Say, babalik.
Babalik.
Babalik ka.
Babalik ka.
Good job. And then, let's say, hay nako.
Nika.
Hay nako.
Nako.
So cute. And then say, what else? Ayoko.
Ika.
Say, ayoko.
Ika.
Ayoko, yoko.
Ika.
Good job. Say, opo.
Apa.
Opo.
Apa.
Say, love you, Lola.
Love you.
Good job. Say, hello, tita.
Hi, Ita.
Again, hello, tita.
Hi, Ita.
Love you, tita.
Love you, Ita.
Not Ita, not tita. You know how to say tita?
Mommy.
Yeah, that's mommy and that's baba. Say, love you, tita.
Love you, Ita.
It's tita, nak, not Ita. Say, look at my hair. I have long hair, just like my mama.
Mama.
Mwah.
Hey, Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy is in the office.
Daddy.
Say hello.
Hello.
No, don't pick your nose. Say paalam.
Hello.
Say paalam.
Alam.
Say paalam po.
Alam po.
Again, paalam po.
Loli po.
Good job. Very good.
Baba.
Say bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Not bye, mommy. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Good job.